Hello and welcome back to my channel. Here on Scriptcase by Jamie, we talk about Scriptcase and, well, help you so that you really know how it works. So today we are going to be talking about the Scriptcase interface where we can manage our Scriptcase licenses. But before I do so, you may be noticing the birds twittering in the background. So I do apologize for that. I have to have the door open right now. I can't close it. I will get locked in to the office. So I do apologize for that. So I hope you do enjoy the sounds of nature that I have here in Portugal. But otherwise, let's continue on with what is happening here within the Scriptcase interface. So you see here already, I have some licenses displayed here, and some of them have been expired for a little while. I have some information about me, and if I scroll down, I have then also my support. And as you see, I have no support. I have had support a long time ago, but that was back in the old days. So I have here also available to me information on all of my previous orders. So I have here all of the dates and can download invoices and so forth. I have then a full list of all of my serials. And as you see, I have 5 pages worth. And if I go all the way, 7 pages worth, even 9 pages. And if I go all the way to the end, my first serial or my first license for Scriptcase was back in 2014. Okay, and that was on version 7, look. Okay, so that was my first personal license that I had. Okay, so within my panel here, I also have support, and here I can open support tickets. So I don't have any active support. You need to actually purchase one of the support plans, and you can do that directly from here or give them a call and they will set that up for you. Otherwise, you will see all of your support tickets, and you'll see I had my last support tickets back in 2014, and then I had some minutes back in 2019 also. Then you also have your My Account information, which then displays all of your account information, as well as the option to change your password and the privacy statement. So that is pretty much it for the Scriptcase interface. And here you can manage your serial numbers. So for instance, if I come here to my serials, I can see here each of my serial numbers that I have available, and I am able to upgrade or migrate a license, as well as also request new license keys for new installations. Okay, so when you actually install Scriptcase like I have done in the previous video, then you have to install with a license key. And now if I need to reinstall, like I am going through the process at the moment, so if you watch the other video following that, I had a slight issue with my installations, and there I'm sharing some information on that. So I am right now uninstalling my versions of Scriptcase, all 4 of them, and I am then also going ahead to request a new license here. And if I come here to serials, I can actually go ahead and see here my most recent serials or the latest versions for version 9, because it says here for version 9, okay? And for version 9, I have these serials active. I have just opened one and re-requested a new serial number for the new installation which I'm preparing. As you may know, I also have one installation on the remote server that I tend to use for my personal development and so forth. Now there, I don't know which serial number that is, so that I will need to check within the Scriptcase interface. So logging into Scriptcase, at the top right hand corner, you have your account information, and there it will give you the serial number that you have available and displayed here. Now checking that number, you will then know which version to actually request for a new installation or even upgrade. If it requires an upgrade, you can also do that here. And you see I have 3 editions here which could use an upgrade, which I still have on older versions. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed this mini little session of what happens, or what you have available to you, should I say, within the Scriptcase environment once you have made a purchase for a license key and you are then wanting to start using Scriptcase for your own development. You can then very easily request a new license if you need to reinstall or move to another machine. It's not really difficult at all. It just takes a couple little clicks and off you go. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll catch you in one of the other videos, hopefully. Until then, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day, and until the next time.